quick tech tip. Today, tabbed browsing, tabbed web browsing. Hello, my name is Chet Davis and welcome to this quick tech tip. Today I want to show you how to do what we call tabbed browsing in your web browser, looking at the internet, in a way that's more efficient, that probably will save you more time if you're bouncing back and forth between one or, two or more, or three or more, or four or more websites. And I'm going to show you how to do it on your desktop, laptop computer, and then separately on your smartphone, specifically an iPhone. So first of all, let's go ahead and you see I've launched my web browser. I'm using Safari in this instance. This procedure works with every one of the major web browsers. But you see I'm on a particular website, and there are times when you want to go back and forth between different websites. And some people will open up a new window, like I'm going to go ahead and hit Command N for a new window. But to get back and forth, I need to kind of, click like this, and then I have to move this beside, and you could click View. There's other ways to do that, but I want to recommend and show you an easier way. It's called tabbed browsing. It's like having file folders set up, and you leaf through to go back to each different file folder or article. It's like having little tabs you put in a book, a reference book that you're going back and forth between different pages. So to do this, you simply have to press Command T, and watch what happens. So Command T, press. What it opens, see, is there's a new web browser here. So I could put in, let's go to another website here. It's going to take a moment to load this website, but once it loads this website, you'll see there are two different websites, and it's easy for me to go back and forth. Watch, all I have to do is I have to click up here, the cursor, back and forth to get back and forth between two websites. So if you're looking for references, if you're looking for information, back and forth, maybe you're booking that international trip and you want to go back and forth between the website and maybe a discount hotel aggregator and see where's my best price, you can do that as well. Again, this is how easy it is. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Now, if you want to get rid of one of these tabs, just hover your cursor over the left side. You see the little X that pops up? By left clicking on that, it gets rid of the tab. So let's go ahead, and again, I want to open a new tab, which means a new web browser, but in a way that I can easily go back and forth. Command T on my keyboard. Now, the other thing I could do is come up here to File. See, under File, I could click New Tab. And if you forget which shortcut, here it shows you right here on your keyboard, Command T. You can also click it this way, and you see that there's a new tab. And to go back and forth, you can just click easily back and forth. Now, let me show you how to do this on your mobile device as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Safari. We've got Safari open. You see, I'm open to my website, one of my websites, yourtechnologytutor.com. And I can scroll through the articles. This is the same website we had open in my desktop computer, but it's a different layout because I'm on a mobile device. Now, I don't have the ability to do Control T on a mobile device because of the amount of screen space, right? But here's how you do it on an iPhone, on a smartphone. In the bottom right corner when you're in Safari, see those little one square on top of the other square? That means different tabs. You can have different tabs or different windows. So I'm going to click on that and say, I want to open up a new tab. I click the plus button, and you see it opens up a new tab. Then I can go ahead and put in my website address, and now I have my other website open. And to toggle between the websites, in other words, to go back and forth, what we're going to do is we're going to press, again, the same button in the bottom right corner, and you can scroll back and forth between different websites. So you can see I can click on this one. No, I want to go back to the other one. It's just a matter of clicking back and forth. So it's an easy way to navigate between one or more websites that you need to check. Your technology tutor, Chet Davis, saying thanks for joining me. I look forward to catching up with you next time and providing you some excellent tips, tutorials, and tricks to help you get the most out of technology.